Hello and welcome back to Moldz Vlogs. Unless you're new in this area of YouTube, and to you I say welcome to Moldz Vlogs. Nice to have you here. This should be a pretty quick and straightforward vlog, hopefully. I'm going to be putting these sequential LED indicators on the ute. So they're from China, and apparently they also fit a Mondeo 2000-06 and a Mark 1 Focus. So I'll put the eBay listing in the description. They were like 30 bucks from China delivered. So let's open them up and have a look at them and then slap them on the ute. Stay tuned. Let's have a little gander, eh? So there you go, 2 smoked LED sequential indicators. They're apparently just a direct fit, they look like they're going to be. And that will just plug into the globe holder of the original unit. So where the T10 would normally go, you just twist that out of the lens and that just goes straight in apparently. So yeah, there you go, that's them. So you can see my current ones are already pretty broken. They're missing that little backing bit and in pretty shit nick, so I'm not really that fussed about them. But if you are going to be careful, get a little screwdriver and a rag and just sort of leave it from the top and then you can pick it out. But mine's probably going to come off in a few bits, so we'll see how we go. And then, yeah, there's my lens. And so then you can just sort of fold it out and get that bottom clip out as well. That, and so we can just take this globe out, take the holder out, and that's just going to plug into that like that. Now to check, they are going to be like, it's going to matter which side they go on. So if I just lock it and unlock it, and they're also polarity dependent, so I'll flick that around, try again. Why the fuck is that not working? So that didn't really go to plan. Hopefully it's just getting a shit connection through these terminals from the plug, so I'll just give them a bit of a scratch, a bit of a clean up. These ones a bit of a rough up. And try again. So, I don't know which way it's meant to go. Hey, there we go. So that's the wrong side. So if I get the other side and put the black wire down like this, it should go that way, I hope. Hey, so there we go. So now, make sure that's all sweet. In theory, this should just clip in like the old ones did. Without breaking it. There we go. Same story, corner's broken off. Probably gonna come off in a few bits, but we'll try not to. There you go. Globe out, holder off. Try black to black. Give that a red hot. Whee! First go. So for whatever reason, my driver's side was really sloppy in the hole. So just to build it up a bit, I've literally just wrapped a few layers of masking tape around it, just so it's a bit of a better fit. Probably just because they're a mass-produced Chinese thing. That heaps better. So yeah, just in case you need to do it, it's an easy way to get around it. So there we go, smoked LED sequential indicators. 30 bucks, took 2 weeks to get here and piece of piss to install, so I recommend them because they look pretty cool for 30 bucks. And even when they're off, the black lens, in my opinion, looks a lot better than the clear lens. So yeah, happy days. Like always guys, if you enjoyed viewing this episode of Moldz Vlogs, give it a thumbs up. If you want to ask me anything, ask it in the comments, and of course subscribe to Moldz Vlogs. Thanks guys, see you later.